I'm urging all South Africans to take this video very serious. I know that most of us, we are not interested on what is going on right now with this March and March. We are not interested, we are not part of it, but it is happening in our country and it has got a potential to grow and become something else. And we will wake up tomorrow, we are all affected. Now listen to me. We've got three characters that are important in this. We've got Uchesinta. She is communicating something. You have to listen to her when she speaks. You've got Ungizwe Mchunu. He's communicating something. I know his style of communication is not the good one, but there's something that he's trying to communicate. And then we've got this character, Uphakile Mthakathi, of which this is the character that I want to talk about in this video. I've realized one thing about South Africans, especially men. We lack discipline. We lack discipline. There is no order in our country. So I've noticed what Uphakile Mthakathi is trying to do. One, he is trying to teach discipline. He's trying to unite men of this country. Two, he's trying to enforce and teach discipline. You'll never achieve anything unless you are united, unless you are disciplined. So, how I wish there can be someone who can help South African men. Someone who is more militant, who can teach us to be disciplined, to know when it is time to play, when it is time not to play, to know when it is time to joke and to know when it is not time to joke. You know, when it is time to be serious, we are joking. When it is time to relax, to think, you know, we confuse the whole thing. So now, Uphakile Mthakathi is mobilizing us. He's teaching us discipline. This is a preparation for a country. Because unless you are disciplined, unless you are united, you'll never rise up and make a point and make a statement or change anything in this country. That is why we've got a generation of drunkards, a generation of entertainment. It's because we lack discipline. We lack discipline. The key thing here is discipline. So that is why whatever Uphakile Mthakathi is trying to do, the character that he's playing, if it was a movie, I will say, he is bringing that discipline. He's showing that discipline, that it is important to be disciplined and to know how to follow orders. Because imagine if a generation would decide to rise and challenge the government of our country, and that is a revolution. People who are not disciplined, they will die like flies. Because they won't know what they're doing. Revolution doesn't mean that you have to ban things, you have to destroy things. It can be done in a smart way if people are well disciplined. They can raise their voice, challenge the government, change things, ask for transformation, and it can happen. If they are disciplined, they can be able to follow orders and be well prepared and be strategic and plan things that from point A we are going to point B, from point B we are going to point C. Even if you are not interested on what is going on, at least learn something. It will help you one day. Because you have to understand that this country is in this phase. You don't know the next phase. This can be the preparation of the transformation that might happen. It's a new kind of a revolution. The character that Jacinta is playing, it is very, very important. The character that Ngizwe Mchunu, or the role that they are playing, is very key. Especially the character that Uphakile Mthakathi is playing. It is very key in this country. This country is full of drunkard entertainers, taverns after taverns, nightclub after nightclub. The only thing we know is booze, sex, money, entertainment, whatever. We cannot rise as a nation and challenge the status quo and change the way things are unless we are united, unless we are disciplined. And we need to listen to men like Phakela. We need to learn to take orders so that we will know exactly what role we can play.